Hello people, this is Colin from Camp Decorations. In this video I'm going to show you how I prep a house, or a room I should say, getting it ready for spraying. I'll basically go through, show you step by step exactly how I prep it, the quickest way to do it on site, to get it up to scratch ready for painting. So, see you in the next clip. Right, we're going to start off with filler. Okay, I'm using 80 grade paper to rub down underneath the windowsills. Usually they're covered in plaster or covered in making good. So you need something to rip through the plaster and making good, so I use 80 grade. Can't put my mask on because I've got my camera on my head. Right, okay, so what I use on this, I use 120 grade, rubbing down my windowsills, rubbing down the door frame. Caught my finger on that, cut it. 150 on the pad, do like this grade. I used 120 grade on the pole sanders for rubbing down these skirtings. Grade for rubbing down the tops of the frames and the frames themselves in the gaps. Gonna mask up the sockets now. Just some cheap tape. It's called Nopi, just in case you wanted to know, it's cheap. Nothing special. It's just nice for, just cheap tape for masking up sockets and switches. Not that expensive at all. Put a bit of tape around this ceiling rose, just so I don't cover the cables. In overspray when I'm spraying, so I'm quite good. I can spray up to it. I can't stop it from getting onto the cables inside, so I just put a bit of masking tape around it, and that will stop it. You could say, well, why not I just put the ceiling rose and do that? Because then you're just taping it all up and completely covering it. Then you got to rip it off. It just takes more time when you're demasking. That's just a lot easier and quicker. I like this cork. It's called premium cork, made by Brewers. Nice and soft. Goes in nice and well into these frames. I do like it.